Okay, so this is my PAL A1000 motherboard from 1986. It's been dead for probably 4 years. One day, black screen, wouldn't boot, nothing. So I've changed the CPU, the CIAs, and worked all the way through the chipset. No difference whatsoever. Eventually, after a great deal of trial and error, this happens. That's an A2000 power pack that's wired up. As you can see, a lot of cleaning up to do, but it works. It will not work without the SEA because the boot ROMs are dead. Don't know why, but they are. Ordered 2 new ones anyway, but there you go. So that's a working A1000, first time in a long time.